Hey, how's everyone doing out there today? Hope everyone's staying safe, doing good. So I just wanted to share something with you that I discovered on my 2020 Accord. If you guys remember, some time back, I installed the carbon fiber steering wheel cover. Not real, fake of course. But I want to show you what I found out. I took it off just to make sure it wasn't doing any damage. And I noticed a few little spots on it. Let me see if the camera can pick it up. I noticed a few little light scratching right over here. Nothing major, but then I noticed two big indentations. I don't know if you can see it. It might be hard to pick up, but there's one here. And there's one on top. One right there and one here. Like I said, and I've had it off for probably at least a month now. And they aren't going away. And it sits in the sun. I thought the heat would take it off. But it's kind of embedded in there. There was some like marking on the inside of the steering wheel cover. It was like some lettering that was protruded out. That's what did it. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys are running one, check the inside of your steering wheel cover. Make sure it's smooth. Like I said, I didn't even pay attention to it when I put it on. And then I took it off and it was embedded in there pretty good. Everything else looks pretty good. Didn't see anything. Like I said, the little light scratching. Nothing major there. But those indentations I doubt will come out. So just a little tip for you guys. If you guys are going to run one, like I said, make sure it's smooth. Else it'll probably be in there permanently. Because I'm surprised the heat didn't help smooth that out. But like I said, you can feel it. I don't think it's picking it up too great, but you can definitely feel it when you put your finger on it. But like I said, lesson learned. So try to find one that's smooth inside. I don't know if any of them really are. I'm only used a couple, but thought I would share that with you guys. Okay? Hope everyone's staying safe out there, doing good. I'll have another video come up shortly. I appreciate all the support. I do. I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks, everybody.